Hello class, today I'm going to show you how to find the greatest common factor with monomials. So by watching the other video, we know how to find the greatest common factor of two numbers. So now we have coefficients. So we're going to do the same thing. Let's find the GCF of 12. I'm going to use a prime factorization way. So half of 12 is 6. 6 is composite. We need to break it down. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 2 times 2 times 3 is the prime factorization of 12. And then we have 18. So half of 18 is 9. 2 can't go into 9, but 3 can. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 is prime, we stop. So now we match, write it down once, match, write it down once. So 2 times 3 is 6. So now we have the greatest common factor of the numbers as 6. So now we have 12x to the third y squared. So x, y. Then 18 we have x squared, x times x, and then y. So we're going to do the same thing. Change my color. So match, write it down once. Match, write it down once. There's no other x's that match. Let's go to the y's. Match, write it down once. Match, write it down once. So my full answer would be 6x squared, y squared. That is the greatest common factor of those two monomials. Let's try another one. 8, a to the fourth power, b cubed, and 12a squared, b to the fifth. So once again, let's break down our coefficients. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2, 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 times 2 is the prime factorization of 8. Now let's find the prime factorization of 12. Divided by 2 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. We stop because 3 is prime. Okay, so now we match, write it down once. Match, write it down once. 2 times 2 is 4. So we have a whole number. So here we have 4 A's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 B's, 1, 2, 3. On the right-hand side, we have 2 A's and 5 B's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we're going to do the same thing. Match, write it down. Match, write it down. No more A's match, let's do the B's. Match, write it down. Match, write it down. Match, write it down. So here we have 4a squared, b cubed is the GCF. So if you notice, you're taking the lowest power of the variables. So that's another way of looking at it. Let's try another one. 15m cubed n squared and 25m squared n cubed. So let's break down 15. Can't be divided by 2, so I need to go 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Done, because 5 is prime. Let's break down 25 into its prime numbers. 5 times 5 is 25. So now we match the 5. So 5 is the only number that matches. And now let's look at our m's. Okay, so we can write out the m's if we want. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2. And on the right side, we have 2 m's and 3 n's. Okay, match, write it down. Match, write it down. There's no more m's. I have an n. Match, write it down. Another n. Match, write it down. There's no other m's or n's that match, so it's 5m squared n squared. So that would be the GCF. So once again, you look at the variables to the lowest power to get your GCF, or you can match, write it down, do the same thing. I hope this helps you understand greatest common factor with monomials. Have a great day.